Hey, I'm in Neillsville. I came across this steam engine thing in this park. So let's check this out. It's probably pretty loud. I don't have the microphones on. I wonder if this is another log puller. Pretty cool. 1919 case steam engine. Originally used for threshing grain in the area by William Neillsville. This steam engine was owned by Marvin Max Forstein from the 1930s through the 1960s to power a sawmill along 18th Street on Neillsville north side. This sawmill produced lumber used by the B&F Brun and Feuerstein machine shop for framing truck bodies used for hauling milk cans, as well as lumber for other local uses. Since 1969, the steam engine has been on display as a memorial to the life and times of threshers and loggers. The Feuerstein family donated this engine to the city of Neillsville in 2002. Keep off. Look, there's still coal in there. Pretty interesting. All right, thanks for watching.
Strange old tales and roadside zest, cheese and ghosts and all the rest. For laughs, for chills, and all the best. It's Wisconsin points of interest. Strange old tales and roadside zest, cheese and ghosts and all the rest. For laughs, for chills, and all the best. It's Wisconsin points of interest. It's Wisconsin points of interest.